Hiya, it's Beep here. I want to plant this Padrón pepper. I'm going to grow it in a pot. I've planted some inside my greenhouse, and I'll show them to you in a minute. It's rather windy, but I thought I would try and grow one in this pot and see how it goes for the summer. You could also keep it in your conservatory if you want. If you've got room for 2 or 3 of these, you would actually have enough peppers for your, for your whole use for at home. So maybe if you've got a room for, because each plant will grow about a dozen peppers, and you're forever picking them, so you'll have continuous flow of peppers. I'm going to show you how to plant it, and then so I've got this pot. I filled up the pot. It's a Levington compost. Don't forget to squeeze the bottom to loosen. It has been watered. And now, got a nice bit of roots going around. Place it in the middle. I'm going to give it a stick and just put some compost around it. I'm going to water it, and this one I'll place in my little greenhouse where I'll show you the other ones. Ensure the root is in firm, so push the soil down to hold it in place. And I think this little one will be very happy here. I'll show you now in the tunnel and then go from there. I was going to say one more thing. Some common problems with peppers. They can grow slowly in cooler weather, so that's why you need sometimes a warm area, because they don't. Here I'm sitting quite windy and they wouldn't like that. Plants can get aphids. Just spray them. If you do get aphids, spray them with some soapy water, and that will get rid of them. You can overwater. That is a big problem nowadays, overwatering. Sometimes underwatering is better than overwatering, because it can cause root issues and the root will die from just standing in the wet. And sometimes they find it hard to set the fruit because the temperature is below 15 degrees. So just ensure you're in a nice warm place and they'll grow nicely. So this is my little greenhouse. It's hard to see, but there's several tomato plants here. And here's my pepper. There's my pepper. One here and one there. And here, this is the one I'm growing in the pot. I've got a tray, so I'm going to put it in the tray. And don't forget to give it a good water. I haven't got the rose on, so I'm a bit careful how to water there. And there we will follow its journey.